Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Mary Louise and welcome to my channel. I know I haven't posted anything for like a month, but it has been a busy month and I also tried to do something else. I am trying to do some modeling clay, some sculpting, because yeah, why not? It's actually my first time doing this and it is hard. It is way harder than I thought it would be. On one hand, on the other hand, it is also not harder than I thought it would be. If that makes sense, it probably doesn't. Anyways, the last month was also my birthday, so you know what that means. That means that you are going to reflect on what you have done last year and what you want to do coming year. So, or at least that's what I'm doing. And I've decided that I wanted to continue posting videos. So that's what I did. And I know that I haven't posted anything in a month, but rest assured I remained creative. I just haven't had the time to film it because my phone was overheating. Anyhow, back to the sculpting. I noticed when I'm drawing that for the eyes there are like holes, like it's a skull beneath your skin, so if that makes sense. And I also want to highlight the cheekbones, and then I found that I actually, it's a process of finding where more clay needs to be and where less clay needs to be. And it's also if you want to make some characteristics of a person, because I don't want to make like the perfect person, because that's been done a lot of times before. And you see here I want to have a bit of a pouting mouth, if that makes sense, but I'm also finding that I need to add more clay to the sides, so that's what I'm doing here. And that's what I mean with like it's a hard process, because I know some things like the skull, how it looks like and what I want, but I also find that by doing it I make it difficult for myself. I actually wanted to start with modeling clay because I read a book with an amazing artist whose name I forgot already. I'm sorry. Who is also painting things using mock-ups. So if I make like this character, I can use it to turn around and to also play with the shading. So you have a real life example of whatever you're making. And it's actually kind of fun to just do something else. The eyelids is doing it like this. And I also know that like my nails are way too long to actually do it. So if you want to start modeling clay, don't have as long, don't have long nails. It's hard. Yep. Anyways, back to whatever my goals are for the coming year. I actually really, really want to travel more with my boyfriend. So yeah, we have a plan for it, and in the coming half year we're going to try to execute it, and hopefully, we will start traveling in January 2024. So that's kind of a big goal. It's kind of scary. It's also kind of exciting. It's also kind of scary that we put a date on it. So, that's actually when everything needs to be in order. But, yeah. Also, for the ears, I didn't know how ears should look like. So I made, I thought 4 or 5 kinds different ears to check what I liked about it and what I don't. And here we have a halfway result. It's kind of looking funny. It's kind of looking cute. It looks like a bit of a human. And what am I doing here? Oh yeah, I'm making the neck. So like so the head has something to stand on. And I'm just, trying to incorporate the muscles wherever they are, and this is all because of like the practice of drawing, that I know how to do it. And I'm also just doing it off screen here to make it easy for you to see whatever I'm doing. Oh, there it is. Yep. And here we have it. And I also gave him a mohawk. It's looking cute. And you see like the shading if you turn it around. Okay, thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye!